English for Iraq, 3rd Intermediate. Copyright Garnet Publishing Limited, 2016.
Unit 1, Lesson 2, Track 1. Listen to the 4 conversations. Point to the correct picture.
Hello, Ibrahim here.
It's your mum. Look, Ibrahim, it's 1:05. What are you doing?
Oh, hi, Mum. I'm in the lift. I'm just coming to the ground floor now.
Oh, well, hurry up then. And what about Salwa? What's she doing?
Sorry, what was that?
Salwa, what's she doing?
I don't know.
Aren't you with her then?
No, I'm with Amina.
Who did you say?
Amina. Don't worry, Mum. We're coming. See you in a minute. Bye.
Hello? Who is it?
Salwa, it's me. Look, it's 1:05. What are you doing? We're waiting for you.
I'm waiting in a queue.
In a queue? Do you know the time? It's 1:05, almost 1:10. What are you queuing for?
I'm buying an ice cream. It's very busy.
There's no time for that. Come back right now, Salwa, please.
I'm really sorry, Mum. See you in a minute. Hello?
Hassan, it's Mum. What are you doing? It's 1:05.
Oh, hi, Mum. It's all right. I'm just coming down the stairs. Can you see me?
Not yet. Be careful.
Mum, I'm okay. See you in a minute. Bye.
Hello? Jassim here.
Yes, I know who it is. But what are you doing?
Nothing.
You sound funny. Where are you?
I'm in the restaurant. I'm having a burger.
In the restaurant? But it's 1:05. Where's Fahad? Is he with you?
Yes, he was thirsty. He's having a cola.
Look, Jassim. Will you hurry up, please? Bring the burger with you. Tell Fahad to bring his cola.
OK, Mum. Sorry. We're coming.
Quickly.
Unit 1, Lesson 4, Track 2. Listen and think. Which objects are the people describing? 1.
You'll love this new model from Trekkers. It's very fast, but really safe.
There are front disc brakes to help you stop quickly.
And it has the latest front and back suspension to keep you on the road.
It's really comfortable.
And it's a great buy.
2. I think it looks good. Do you think it is big enough?
It says it sleeps 2, so that should be big enough.
I'm glad it is insect-proof.
Yes. I don't want to get bitten.
Yes. And look, it only takes 30 minutes to put up. You'll like that.